Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the phone manager. This is the pre-installed app on your device, and find viruses and risks. After tapping on it, your device will basically scan itself, so it will check your system for any malware, viruses, or some problems which may happen, and it will show you the results. In my case, everything is all right. My device is secured. Here we've got recommended optimization. So, for example, we can clean the storage or boost the system. However, if your device will find any kind of problems, any kind of malware, it will also show you the information about it, so you will be able to take proper actions and get rid of malware, for example. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.